Good Deja Vu Tuesday. It looks familiar. We showed this in our last video. Yeah, we're making one more burger. Let's make the All-American Cheeseburgers. I've got some issues with it too. Let's see. Alright, here we go. The funny thing is, it says All-American Cheeseburgers, and then it says variations. It doesn't show the All-American Cheeseburger, it just shows the variations. Santa Fe Burger, Kansas City Burger, Manhattan Burger. Where's the All-American when that's what it says here? Oh, I'm going to try and follow the recipe pretty much exactly. It does call for WYLER'S Bouillon.
I had to order WYLER'S. I had to order WYLER'S Bouillon off. I had to order WYLER'S Bouillon from oh my God.
I had to order WYLER'S Bouillon online because though I can get the cubes, I can't get the powder locally. This recipe is for a pound of ground beef. We'll be using half a pound, 2 burgers. We've got the WYLER'S. Then it says BORDEN processed American cheese, which I found at Publix. Singles American, real milk, individually wrapped. So that's not ideal for me, but that's what it calls for, BORDEN. So I have a little bit of an issue with a 1/4 cup of chopped onion. It should say minced. A 1/4 cup of chopped is not much at all for a pound of meat. So I minced the onion and I rounded off the 1/8 of a cup. Because fitting chopped onion in an 1/8 of a cup, which is half a pound, is not much onion. I think that's the only thing we're cheating on.
4 hamburger buns, lettuce, 4 slices of tomato. In a medium bowl, combine beef, bouillon, and onion. Shape into 4 patties. Grill. I don't own a grill. Grill or broil to desired doneness. Top with cheese, food slices. Heat until cheese begins to melt. Top bottom buns with lettuce, tomato, and meat patties. Serve open face. How is that American? How is that all American? Or with bun tops. And this is funny. Refrigerate leftovers. Come on! I think that's funny. Alright, but at least it says All-American Cheeseburgers, so the title is not made up. Like some, if you find recipes today, All-American Cheeseburgers, it says All-American. Let's stop yapping and let's start making those All-American Cheeseburgers.
Half a pound of ground beef. Wow. 8 ounces. There you go. Pick you up a little bit. Oh. Rounded 1/8 of a cup of minced onions. WYLER'S. Open it. Oh. Half a tablespoon, because we're doing half a pound. And level. There you go. That's a lot of bouillon. Right? Let's mix her up. Oh. Let's do it. All-American Cheeseburgers. Because WYLER'S is All-American. And BORDEN is All-American. I'm not going to make the same mistake I made last week. I'm going to flatten this burger so when it shrinks, it'll fit the bun. We'll separate this into 2 balls. Because balls come in 2s. Thank you, cow. I think we gotta thank the cows more often. Into the fridge. No pickles? It doesn't mention ketchup. I've got to be able to put ketchup on if it's an all-American cheeseburger. Come on. Hey. Okay. Let's eat the darn thing. Ketchup. Thank you, lawn people. All right. Stop it! All-American cheeseburger from All-American cheeseburger from 1992. Let's do it. Thumbnail. Here we go. Take a bite. Wow, I don't know if it's the ketchup. I have to take a piece of this burger with nothing on it because I'm having trouble tasting the WYLER'S. Ooh, that's delicious. Oh, that's very good. Just a little salty, very oniony. A little beefy. That tasted very... Let's take another bite. Whoa. That's very good. What makes this all-American? All right, I think we're good. This was fun. All-American cheeseburger. I'm not lying. I really do like the flavor of the beef. I think it's kind of perfect. If you're watching your sodium, you might want to cut down just a little bit. I think it was a tablespoon for a pound, so we used half a tablespoon. I would have put pickles on it. How is this all-American? I don't know. Still fun. Thanks for joining me this Tuesday for All-American Cheeseburgers 1992. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Oh. This will be my last burger for a while, I think. Thanks for watching. Yep.